Blake? Block? Oh my god, I can't read this. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful and a lovely day. So today's video kind of goes in par with the FabFitFun Summer 2019 video I just released a little bit ago. We're gonna be going through the extras that I bought from FabFitFun. So how we're gonna do this is I'm gonna go through the original price of this and what I paid for, and then after we've gone through all the items, I'm gonna tally it all up and show you guys what my savings are. Oh, and if you guys are wondering about the new quality of my videos, the camera I was filming on before kind of stopped working. It was having some issues. And so my boyfriend has graciously let me use his really nice phone to film my videos now. And the video quality is so much better. So I feel like I want to apologize for the abrupt change, but the change is for the better. So I hope you all like the new higher quality videos. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first item we're gonna go through is a Lotus beach towel. It's from a company called Vicks Paula Hermione. This was actually one of the options you could customize in the FabFitFun box, but I wanted the kimono. This kimono that I'm wearing was one of the other options, and I really wanted the towel too, so I ordered the towel as an extra, because rather than paying the original price, I only had to pay $15 for it. So I thought, why not? This Vicks Lotus towel was $50 US and $65 Canadian, and I paid $19.50, that's in Canadian, so $15 in American. I'll show you guys the towel. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh, that's a big beach towel. Yeah, woo. Yeah, so that's my beach towel I ordered. I don't actually have a specific towel that I use for the beach. I just kind of pick my biggest one and bring it with me. So I'm really excited to actually have a towel specifically meant for the beach. So I'm gonna have fun using this summer. Okay, on to the next item. We have here, it's called Restorative Lavender Body Oil by MS Skin, and it's 4 fluid ounces. From what I remember, this is just like body oil with properties in it to help, you know, anti-aging and to help fight wrinkles and cellulite and whatnot. This elegant everydaic body oil that combines coconut oil with go-to cola extract, known to help skin reduce the appearance of cellulite, scars, and skin damage. Vitamin C rich Kaduku plum and amola oil are known to brighten and firm skin for an even all-over glow. But when I saw this like body oil that was basically anti-wrinkle, anti-aging fighting, I was totally on board with it. The price for this Restorative Lavender Body Oil was $68 US and $89 Canadian. And I only paid for this $38 in Canadian. So that's about $29 American. So from 68 to 38, that's not too bad of a deal in my books. Next, I have a felt message board. This is from a company called Xocina, and like I said, it's just the felt message board. This was another option you could get for the customization for the summer 2019 FabFitFun box. I really wanted this along with, I think it was, you know what? I forget what customization option this was from, but I know it was one of the options, and I picked a different option, so I ordered this as an extra because I really wanted a little felt message board. I thought it was cute. I'm actually going to put it behind me on the back of my little set there and write little messages to all you guys, so you'll have to keep your eyes open to see what little message I shoot you guys. So this Xocina felt board was $35 originally, US, So that's about $45.50 Canadian, and I paid $19.50 for this, so 15 US and $19.50 Canadian. So that's not a bad little deal in my book, and I'm really excited to use this. I have a little list here if you guys are wondering why I'm looking down. I thought I'd prepare myself beforehand. So next we have these little eyeshadows that I got. They came in a dual pack on for the extras in FabFitFun. So rather than pay, separate prices, they came in a little pack, so you got them a little cheaper. And the company they're from is called Butter London. It's called Glazin' Eye Gloss. And I got the colors Unicorn and Frosted. So, I'm just a frosted unicorn. I'm pretty excited to be a frosted unicorn. Who isn't? That's Frosted. And this is Unicorn. So originally in Canadian, this duo was $62.50, and in US, that would have been $48. I paid $25 for this Canadian, and then it was $19 US. So that's still not a little bad deal there. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm really excited to see the colors of these. We'll say these look really bronzy, and on the site they were really pinky. Oh, that's so bronze. Oh yeah, just all over my shirt. Yeah, I love eyeshadow on my clothes. I mean, they're really nice, but I'm really sad because I thought these were supposed to be pink. I'm not a bronze eyelid type of girl. I hope this unicorn holds up to my expectations a little better. Oh, that unicorn is pretty. Okay, I really like the unicorn. That unicorn one, I approve the unicorn one. The frosted isn't quite what I wanted. Oh, wow, the sparkles in that. Oh my god, I'm gonna have sparkles all over me forever. But yeah, the frosted is much bronzer than it looked like in the pictures online, so I'm a little disappointed in that. I was really thinking they were going to be both pink. The unicorn is like a shimmery, beigey, light pink kind of color. And then the frosted is a lighter champagne tan color. I don't know. I'm probably butchering what these actual colors are described like. But anyways, I'm still happy with those. Okay, so next it's a mystery bundle from FabFitFun. So it's a little bundle. You don't know what you're gonna get in the bundle, and they kind of just surprise you with some, of their, more popular items. So this is the bundle I got. These were all the little surprise items. This is as much as a surprise for me as it is for you. So let's get to it. The original price of the mystery box was $29 US, and it was $38 Canadian. Hopefully everything I got equals greater than $38. Okay, well, keeping on the trend of Butter London things, I have another Butter London item. This one is not an eyeshadow though. This one is a highlighting gel. So first thing from the mystery bundle, a Butter London color champagne highlighting gel. The original price for this individually was $44.50 Canadian, and that's $34 US. With this first item, the price I paid for the box, the $38, is already covered with this first highlighter. Everything I'm getting from now on is just a plus, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see how this highlighter looks. Oh, this champagne be looking kind of gold. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm really excited to use that. Let's just do a little test. Ooh, it's really sparkly. It's like a champagne color with a fine gold undertone. I really like this actually. Next we have by Eau de Me, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, The Last Straw, metal straws and cleaning brush, a set of 4. I don't actually have any metal straws, so I really like that they actually sent me something that wasn't a cosmetic. I love all the cosmetics they send me, but I like things that you don't have to put on your face as well, more home accessories. So I'm pretty pleased with these. This is gonna be my only complaint I have about these. I feel like that the straws don't need to be individually wrapped. They're all individually wrapped. And I get it, it's so that they don't scuff each other, but they're gonna get scuffed, you know, with wear and tear and daily use. So I feel like this is just a waste and it's unneeded. Just my 2 cents on that. But yeah, these are really nice. The ends are rounded, which I really like. It's a nice small attention to detail. And they're a lot thinner than I thought they were gonna be, and because I don't like those bulky metal straws. So I'm pretty pleased with these. $26 Canadian for these originally. So that's $20 US originally for these. Not too bad. Okay, so next we have, it's called Block. Oh my god, I can't read this. Block activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and coconut oil whitening toothpaste with peppermint. Ooh, I always love myself a good charcoal toothpaste. I will say I already have one, and then I also have activated charcoal powder, which I add on to the charcoal toothpaste. So, you know, I'm already set in that area. I'm never displeased with having, you know, spares. I do have to say that this is very strong of peppermint. I'm pretty excited to see how white this makes my teeth. Okay, and originally the price for this toothpaste was $26 Canadian, so that's $20 US for this. Not too bad. Okay, nice little container. Not bad. Cool. Okay, last item from the mystery box and last extra item I ordered from FabFitFun. It's called Sol de Janeiro Acai Body Powder Cream, infused with legendary wonders of acai oil. So I'm actually really excited about this. They have a cream called like Bum Bum Cream. That's actually what it's called, Bum Bum Cream. And it smells like caramel and pistachios or something like that, and it's absolutely amazing. It's actually one of the options I could have gotten, but I wanted something else, so I guess I kind of got what I wanted anyways. It's not the Bum Bum Cream, but it's from the same company, so I'm excited. If I'm right, this is supposed to like energize you, and it's in a really nice little container. I really like that container. This would have been $59 Canadian originally, and $45 US originally. So that's pretty good. Let's give it a little smell, see what this smells like. I can't place what it smells like, but it smells really fresh and kind of like fruit, maybe plum. That's really nice. Feels really nice on the skin. It's a buttery, creamy texture. And though it has oil in it, I'm not getting a super oily feel on my skin, so I really like that. Sweet. Okay, so now the fun begins. Let's see what the savings is on this. So I tallied everything up already because I didn't think everybody wanted to sit here while I went through all the huge amount of numbers, adding them in US and Canadian, and then showing you guys. We're gonna keep it simple and sweet, and I have it all written out already for you guys. And whoa, is it a doozy? The original price for all these items individually, not bought at FabFitFun for the sale prices, it all cost originally $320 US and $417.50 Canadian. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of money. Hopefully my savings is, you know, beautiful. And what I paid for everything, I paid $140 for all my extra things. So that's $140 Canadian and $107 US. If I would have gone to the store and bought all these things, I would have been spending $417.50 approximately. And I only spent $130 and saved over $250. So slam dunk in my opinion. I am super happy with that. I have no complaints other than the plastic for the individual straws. I think that's stupid, but who am I to judge what a corporation decides to do with their packaging? And I hope you guys all enjoyed that quick little video. I just thought it would be kind of fun to go through all the savings. Like, I love savings. I love being able to get something not for full price. I mean, I think it's pretty common that people like to save money. When it comes to high-end things, higher-end things, I get really butthurt paying those high prices. I understand why some of these prices are the way they are, but I just don't think it's worth it. I mean, I would never actually go into the store and buy this full price, but I'll keep getting it on FabFitFun for as long as, it's on the sale price. I just think it's a good way to make it so that everybody can try a little high-end products. So, yeah, I just wanted to do this video to show you the great savings you can get, to show off my great savings, because I'm kind of proud of them. So did you like this video? Should I do more of these? What's your favorite thing that you like to save on? I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And if you liked this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated, and maybe don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos I'll be posting in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I thought it was really fun, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!